best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Audi S6. In the fiercely competitive arena of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S6 emerges as a compelling choice, blending dynamic performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. As a member of Audi's esteemed S lineup, the S6 embodies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on refinement. Powering the 2024 Audi S6 is a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, generating an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S6 delivers robust acceleration and seamless power delivery. The S6 performance credentials are underscored by its ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. The S6's dynamic performance is complemented by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's sport-tuned adaptive air suspension, combined with dynamic steering and available sport differential, ensures precise handling and excellent ride comfort. The S6 features powerful brakes with optional ceramic discs, providing exceptional stopping power and enhancing overall driving dynamics. Visually, the 2024 Audi S6 exudes a sporty and sophisticated aura. Its sleek exterior design features sculpted lines, a signature single-frame grille with aluminum accents, and striking LED headlights. The S6 boasts a muscular stance with 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and a subtle rear spoiler, hinting at its performance capabilities. Optional black optic packages and carbon fiber accents further enhance the S6's athletic appearance. Inside the cabin, the S6 offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. Premium materials such as Valcona leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and aluminum accents create an upscale ambience. The driver-centric cockpit features S-Sport seats with diamond stitching, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster. The S6 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a dual touchscreen display, voice command functionality, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi S6. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S6 sets a new standard for mid-size sports sedans, offering a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S6 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.